Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today, another unboxing, and as you can see, another big box. You can see also what's inside. I mean, it's always in the title, but you can see right here, it's written PGYTECH, and we are gonna see right on what's inside. So here we have a total black. This is paper, a thank you letter for the purchase, but we're gonna see it right now. And I think you can understand what's inside. I mean, it's written right here. And I like this packaging actually, because I like the contrast between the black and the red right here. It's very classy and very elegant. So there is technically a welcome pack, we can say. And here there is a plastic card with a plastic viewfinder, and it just says that you can follow them on every social. It's a cool idea. Then we are gonna unveil the backpack, and I think this is a big paper bag inside this box. So it's a big paper bag actually, and you can open it by here, and it says also life is what you carry. You just take this and you can open the bag like this very easily. So here it is. This is the backpack. Actually, this is the 18 liter. So I think it's one of the smallest. I mean, it's a medium size, we can say. And this color is black. I think it's called obsidian black. It's basically matte black, so I like it a lot. And also you have some particulars with the brown color, and I think it's leather. On the top of our backpack we have a lot of paperwork, and actually we have lifetime warranty. Then we have a little instruction manual, we can say, that explain you how the backpack is working. And here we have some more instruction that says what's inside, we can say, and the material that this backpack is made of. This is the breathable material that you have on the back of our backpacks. And also we have the material on the straps, gummy material, but it's very strange actually. I don't know how it is, this backpack, and how it works, if it's very good or not. So of course I will do another video, a review of this backpack, because I will test it for a travel, and it's a long travel. I will be out for a long period, so we will test it very well, and I will keep you updated if you are interested also into this model. But right now we are gonna open it and let's see how it is inside. So this is the breathable bag, as I was saying before, and here are the straps. These are very comfy actually. On the front we can see this little blue thing, and it says pull actually, because you have to pull it and you can open your backpack. Very handy feature that you have. And this is a magnetic attachment, so if you close it like that, your backpack should be closed, and then you will pull it from here and you will open your backpack. Then you can open pretty much all the way the backpack, and you will have access to this camera compartment, we can say. With this you can build your layout whatever you want. It is a lot customizable. So these are straps that help you with the weight of your backpack. We have some sticker in black and white. So we have right here a pocket that it is very easily accessible, and also it is magnetic. You can see that this strap right here, it is magnetic. Also we have these side pockets where you can just put maybe some cables, some batteries, with this magnetic coin that one side it is green and the other is red. Maybe you can use it for your discharge battery, and maybe with the new battery, for example, or something like that. I mean, it's pretty much everything magnetic, and I like this thing. And you have also this side pocket on the other side too. And here we have some more pockets, so many pockets right here. Here we have another pocket, of course. This is pretty big actually. Then another pocket right here. And then we have another pocket right here that it is magnetic too. So you can see it, that it attaches automatically. And in this pocket we have this carabiner. It's used for maybe your keys and stuff like that, that you will not lose it. I mean, it's attached to your backpack, so you will not lose anything attached here on this carabiner. And this pocket is also very big actually. Anyway, there are a lot of things to talk about this backpack. Actually, it's a very complete backpack, so It's a professional one. It is not very cheap. It is a lot expensive, but I will tell you more about this in a proper review, maybe when I'm traveling, so you will see what it can do and how many things I can stuff in there. And for the first impressions, I mean, the quality seems really, really good, and I will tell you more, as I said, in the next video, because I will tell you if it's worth it or maybe not. Anyway, for this backpack, I have to thank, of course, my girlfriend, as always, because she gives me always this kind of gift. And this is my birthday gift, even if it's not already my birthday yet, because we are going to travel before my birthday and I needed a new backpack, and this one was pretty much perfect. So, as I said before, I will tell you more in a proper review. Stay tuned to this channel so you will watch that. For any curiosity or anything that you want to know about this backpack, just comment down below, because I will let you know anything. And also, if you did like this video, just hit a like button down below, because it's free. And also, if you see the big red button, just subscribe right now to this channel, because it will help a lot. Anyway, that being said, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.